Hey there, future world explorers. So, you're thinking about studying abroad? That's awesome. It's a chance to broaden your horizons, immerse yourself in a new culture, and maybe even learn a new language or five. But before you pack your bags and book that plane ticket, there's one crucial document you'll need to secure: your student visa. Think of it as your golden ticket to an incredible academic adventure. This visa is like a special pass that allows you to live and study in another country. Without it, your study abroad dreams could be dashed before they even begin. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this crash course, we'll break down everything you need to know about student visas, from the application process to essential tips for a smooth journey. Ready to unlock the world of student visas? Let's dive in. All right, adventurers, let's talk about how to get your hands on this magical student visa. The process might seem daunting, but it's manageable if you break it down into steps. First, you'll need to be accepted into a program at a recognized institution. Once you have that acceptance letter, you can begin the visa application process. Fill out an application form either online or on paper. Next, gather all the necessary supporting documents. Schedule an interview at the embassy or consulate. After the interview, it's a waiting game. And that's it, you've officially embarked on your visa quest. Think of your visa application like a battle, and your documents are your weapons. You'll need the right tools to conquer the process. First and foremost, you'll need your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your stay. Fill out the application form completely and accurately. Provide proof of acceptance into your study program. Financial documents are essential to show you can support yourself. Some countries might require medical exams or police certificates. Remember, being prepared is key. Section 4, Visa Victories, DOS to ensure success. Ready to increase your chances of a visa victory? Here are some do's to keep in mind. Do your research. Each country and embassy has its own set of rules and regulations. Familiarize yourself with these guidelines before you even start your application. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Do apply early. Visa processing times can vary, so don't wait until the last minute. Give yourself ample time to gather your documents, schedule your interview, and account for any unexpected delays. Do be honest and transparent throughout the entire process. Any discrepancies or false information can jeopardize your chances of getting a visa. Do practice your interview skills. The visa interview can be nerve-wracking, but practice makes perfect. Prepare for common questions and be ready to articulate your reasons for studying abroad. Do stay positive and enthusiastic. Your passion for studying abroad will shine through in your application and interview. Section 5, Visa Pitfalls, Don'ts to avoid like the plague. All right, now that we've covered the do's, let's talk about the don'ts. Those treacherous pitfalls that can trip you up on your visa quest. Avoid these like the plague. Don't provide false or misleading information. Honesty is crucial throughout the entire visa application process. Any attempt to deceive the embassy can result in a visa denial. Don't submit incomplete applications. Double-check that you've answered all the questions and included all the required documents. Incomplete applications can lead to delays or rejections. Don't wait until the last minute. We've said it before and we'll say it again. Apply early. Don't panic during your interview. Take a deep breath. Be yourself and answer the questions honestly and to the best of your ability. Confidence is key. Don't forget to follow up. If you haven't heard back from the embassy within the specified processing time, it's okay to follow up politely. Section 6, Life after the visa, maintaining your study abroad dream. Congratulations, Globetrotter, you've successfully navigated the visa labyrinth and secured your student visa. But hold on, the journey doesn't end there. Now it's time to shift your focus to maintaining your newfound visa status and making the most of your study abroad experience. First things first, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your visa. This includes the duration of your stay, any work restrictions and reporting requirements. Pay close attention to the expiry date on your visa. Overstaying your visa can have serious consequences, including future travel restrictions. If your plans change, such as switching universities or extending your stay, contact your embassy or consulate immediately to inquire about the necessary procedures. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key to a hassle-free study abroad experience. Now go out there, explore new horizons, embrace the unknown, and make memories that will last a lifetime.